Have you ever left a conversation with a woman and thought, hold on, was that just friendly or did something else just happen? She smiled a second longer than usual. Her laugh felt a little too easy. She stood close. Not obvious, but close enough. That wasn't random. That was interest showing up quietly. Most guys miss it because they're waiting for something loud, but women don't usually move that way. In this video, I'm going to break down 3 subtle signs a woman gives when she's actually into you, not on purpose, not planned. It just happens. Once you understand these, you stop guessing. Let's start with how attraction really works. For women, attraction isn't about words. It's not what she says. It's how she feels around you. It's emotional. It's instinctive. And most of it happens without conscious thought. Men tend to look for obvious signals. Women connect through comfort, emotional safety, and flow. So if you're waiting for bold moves or clear confessions, you're probably missing what's right in front of you. When interest starts building her body and behaviors start giving it away. Number 1, she puts herself near you. Women don't usually chase directly, but they do make themselves available. She doesn't say she wants to see you. She just ends up where you are. She sends messages that don't really need answers, but keep the connection alive. Real-life signs. She joins conversations you're part of. She sits closer than necessary. She remembers things you said casually days ago. That's not accidental. That's interest finding a safe way out. What to do? Don't call it out. Don't rush it. Just acknowledge her presence with calm confidence. When she feels comfortable, she naturally stays closer. Number 2, she starts syncing with you. You lean back, she does too. Your voice drops, hers follows. Your energy slows down, she adjusts right with you. This is called mirroring, and it's a natural response when someone feels connected. She's not copying you on purpose. Her nervous system is just matching yours. What to watch for? Does her posture slowly line up with yours? Does the conversation feel oddly smooth, like you're moving at the same pace? What to do? Stay steady, stay relaxed. She's responding to how grounded you are. Number 3, her eyes give her away. Eye contact is one of the biggest tells. She holds your gaze just a beat longer. She looks at you when she thinks you won't notice. Her eyes light up when you show up. Then there's that moment you feel someone watching. You turn. She looks away instantly. That's attraction mixed with nerves. What to do? Don't look away first. Give a small smile. Let the moment breathe. Then talk. Not with a line. Just be present. That's what creates safety. There are also smaller signals that support the big ones. She fixes her hair around you. She adjusts her clothes when you're nearby. She laughs a little harder than necessary. She remembers small details you didn't think mattered. She touches her neck or collarbone without realizing it. Alone, these mean nothing. Together, they paint a clear picture. So why do most men miss this? Because they expect attraction to be obvious. But women don't want to feel exposed. They want to feel invited. Ignore the signals, and she pulls back. Notice them and respond calmly, and she opens up. Quick recap. She syncs with your energy. She creates proximity. Her eye contact lingers and returns. If you're seeing these, it's not coincidence. She's giving you space to step forward. So take it. Start the conversation. Let the connection build naturally. If this gave you clarity, hit like, subscribe for real psychology that actually applies to real life. And let me know in the comments, have you ever realized a sign too late? Because when you understand attraction, you stop chasing and start drawing it in.